everybody, welcome to Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Vera Lynn. Thank you for joining. Alright guys, let's get spiritual. Now I want to say, I've been using this quote a lot lately, just to start off with. There's a lot in life worth thinking about, guys, but there's nothing in life worth worrying about. So let that soak in, okay guys? Alright, so for today, I am doing a daily reading for my Virgos for September 14th, 2018. Now, for some of you guys who have been my watchers, you're probably thinking, where have you been, Vera? You haven't been posting. What's going on? I have been having a lot of issues going on in my personal life. You know, just because I am a psychic does not mean that I can really have every control over my life, okay? Foresee every little detail. I had to change up my studios. I had a black mold issue in my studio that I needed to take care of, and it also got me sick too as well. But I am doing better. Currently, I am actually coming down with a cold, but I'm hanging in there. I needed to get to you guys. I've been missing hearing from you guys posting. It's kind of actually even really thrown me into a little bit of a depression. Not being able to hear from you guys, not reaching out. It's just kind of been driving me crazy. So if you can comment below, give me some inspiration, some kind words to get me uplifted and get this filming on a roll, you know, I would love that, guys. Thank you so much. You know, shout out June and everybody who's been watching me, my Virgo friends. Seriously, you guys have picked me up and really have brought into me where I am today. Alright, so I'm kind of jumping into the things. You'll notice that things will be changing throughout the channel. Perhaps I'm going to dive into my personal life and kind of blog my spiritual changing myself. I've been enrolling myself in some courses, and you know, I want to get Reiki certified. If you guys want to watch that, you know, I could take, you know, the cameras behind the scenes. Let me know. Comment me below. Thumbs up, you know, like, hey, let's see it. I'm interested in that stuff too, so film it and let me know how it goes. I know a lot of people are not even really familiar with like Reiki and energy channeling. So I really want to dive into that stuff with you guys. Watch my experience too as well, okay? Because I really want to get... My whole goal here is I really want to change the world as much as I can towards really jumping on board with awakening, okay? Getting this love energy, this vibe that we're all connected, okay, out there. And also really centering back with Mother Nature. A lot of us have slipped into the rat race of life and have forgotten what it's like to go outside and harvest things from the earth and heal with the earth as well. Alright, I said this was a daily reading, right? Alright, so for September 14th, 2018, the energy for you guys are at a high. Mercury is in your sign. Your ruling planet is in your sign, so your communication is probably popping right now. For some of you guys, that might have changed your relationship a little bit. If you are unhappy in your relationship, you are making it known. Okay? So, if you're unhappy in your career, whatever it is, if you are happy, whatever it is, you're talking. You know, this is the point of the month where you are talking. So perhaps the 14th, you have kind of let the dust settle on some things that you might have said earlier or a week ago or whatever it might be, and really kind of seeing how you feel about it. So perhaps don't make any haste decisions until you know you've taken the time and let everything settle and know what it is what you want. Okay? Alright, so for some of you guys as well that are doing those business projects, now is the time to go forth and look at all the details, because later on in the month you are going to publish it, okay? Whatever it might be, you're going to send in that resume. It's going to happen, guys. Alright, because this is the time where you're taking... We had a new moon in Virgo. How did that go for you guys? Around September 9th. Did you feel a change in yourself? I know I did. I have been so busy with other things that I am ashamed. I have lost track of it, and I didn't even know there was a new moon in Virgo. I mean, I knew about it, but at that time I didn't know. And that was the day that I have taken a step back and I was like, you know what, Vera? We're getting back on that diet. We are cleansing again, and we are making sure we fall back into the correct meditation schedule that you need. because I was losing myself there, guys. Some of you guys might know I've seen my stuff earlier in the summer versus lately. I mean, we did get out a lot of retrogrades, and I like to use that as an excuse. But when it comes down to it, it was really me manifesting a disaster. And you know what? I got it. So I'm kind of stopping that. I'm putting my foot down, and I'm taking charge of my own life, as you guys should too as well. All right. You can manifest your dreams, guys. And I want to say, if there's something you worry about, and if you think about it a lot, and you vent to your friends about it a lot, and you just can't seem to get it off your mind, I'll tell you what, guys, I hate to say it, you're manifesting your nightmares. Whatever fear makes your nightmares come true, that vibration of fear is just so strong that you create it. Okay, guys? You got to knock that off. You got to start completely ignoring those issues and really think about the things that bring you joy and that you want and that you desire from life, guys. Okay? All right, I said this was a card reading, right? All right. Let's roll with it. Let's roll with it, my Virgos. So yeah, you are in for it, guys. I'm definitely, you're going to watch me grow spiritually. So like I said, if you want to see that behind the scenes of that chaos, I am more than welcome to, bring you in for a majority of it. I'm quite personal. I don't have a cell phone. I only have like a Facebook. I don't do the Instagram crap like that. I probably should. It's just not me. I'm very sensitive to radiation regarding cell phones and the internet and things like that. People laugh at me, but you know what? Hey, I'm sensitive. I'm a sensitive human being. Alright. I don't even like the microwave. Standing by the microwave gives me a headache. Alright. Woo! Everybody's getting the moon for September 2014. As my Taurus friends did. Do you have a Taurus in your life that you need to get on point with your intuition? Alright, so you have the Four of Swords, the King of Swords, and the Moon. So there is something in your life, Virgo, that at this point you really do need to put your foot down. You need to take an authoritative approach with it. You have the swords popping up in your reading. You have the Four of Swords, which means that something needs to be laid to rest, or you currently have already. Okay? Perhaps a toxic relationship. You have gotten sick and now you have healthier and you appreciate the fact that you're able to move on in life. Okay, so it also could be an air symbol in your life that could have been a toxic influence that you need to change from, that's been blocking your intuition. You have the King of Swords here. You gotta take action. No more talking, no more planning without doing, okay? Don't say about it, be about it, all right? I mean, I'm not sugarcoating it. You need to take action, Virgo, okay? You already know what it is that you have to lay to rest, whether you're currently still doing it or you just have done it. And you need to take the approach firmly, okay? No more Mr. Nice Virgo, okay? No more Miss Nice Virgo, okay? What do you want? Say it. Do about it. Don't say about it, all right? Seriously, guys. Some of you guys are just too nice and you're just pushovers. But you know what? Stop it. Because it's holding you back. It's really holding you back from your own spiritual growth, okay? Your psychic being. You're just worried about other things that you're not able to find the spiritual, crazy, awesome, vibrational human being that you are. Because you're just worried about the little things. Okay? So take action. Let go of what no longer serves you. Leave it behind. Make sure that you are well rested and meditated at all times. And that, whether it's your career or your relationship, take firm action. Okay? Take firm action. And always listen to your gut. I feel like once you take that approach and you're very firm with how you feel and you take a step back, because it's going to have there's going to be a lot less stress on your shoulders once you say what you want to say. that you'll be able to dive into your psychic skills there, okay? With the moon jumping out and your reading there towards the end. All right, lay it to rest. Take firm action, and you'll be gifted with your intuition, okay? Going with your gut, what it is that's, what is your calling? You're really going to be able to have that clear mind towards the end of the month there. All right, so take action now. Today's the 14th. I'll see you towards the end of the month, right? I don't know. Fill me in. Let me know what's going on for your day. All right? What is it that needs action in your life? Okay, comment me below. Give me a thumbs up, whatever it is, guys. All right? Thanks for tuning in. This is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. And like I said, thank you again for your patience. For some of you guys who have been watching a lot lately, okay? I haven't been on my game with posting, but I assure you that I have been educating myself and growing so I can pass on that growth to you guys. All right? Thanks for tuning in. I'm Vera Lynn. Have a beautiful day.